definitely dye that one. I might actually dye it. Ooh, I could dye the ends blonde or something. If you like this video, if you watch this video and you like this video,
little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patricia here, back with another video. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, my name is Patricia. Definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you already watch me, why haven't you subscribed yet? Definitely make sure you subscribe to me now and follow me on my socials. Instagram, I'm always active there, and lately I've been trying to bring a lot of content into it. So make sure you follow me there and keep in touch with me. It's easier than YouTube, because YouTube, I'm here once or twice a week, so you can see me every day on Instagram. So definitely go follow me there, and also follow me on TikTok and Snapchat. I'm not a lot on Snapchat, but you can still get in touch with me there because I'm still there regardless. Anyway, today's video I will be doing this look. As you can see, I did record doing my makeup as well, but the video didn't work out very well, so I won't be having doing my makeup. I'll be doing my hair like this, and yes, I hope you guys like it. Anyway, regards to this hair, I ordered from Amazon. I'll have the link down below for you guys. I think I linked this on my previous Amazon video, so if you want to check that video, I have like my favorites from Amazon, and this was one of them. I did get a wig from there as well, so I do actually like the hairs. It's not real and it's not something I use all the time, because obviously I use my hair most of the time, but if you want to switch it up, this is actually really good. Like, you can, it was literally £6, guys. It was £6. This is like a UK curly ponytail in 22 inches. It's very long, like you see, it's like super long. It's all down my back, so I really liked it. I'm gonna try and do like a high one and see how I like. Obviously there's not a lot of hair, but I feel like it is actually, it's big enough. I mean, like, it's not a heavy, so it feels like really okay. I thought it would be quite heavy in my head, but it's not. You can move it, you can adjust it, you can have it however you want. So I like it. It does cover my hair. I think next time I might actually have my hair straightened so it can blend with this. So I'm gonna try that next, but because obviously now I have in a bun, you'll see for the video how I done it, but next time I might just have my hair straightened and have it blend with this. That might work. It just gave me a good idea, so I'll try that next. But yeah, anyway guys, in today's let's just get into today's video. Okay, so I'll try and make it as little as possible. You see, so you won't actually see it. Also been adding like some water just so I can take that fakiness away, and I also added a little bit of like this cream to the end just so it wasn't, because it was a bit folded, so I was trying to make it look natural. But yeah, so that is my hair. So yeah guys, that was the end of my video. I hope you liked this video. It's a very short video. I hope it was short. I just wanted to show you guys how I literally just wanted to show you guys this hair and how I style it. And yeah, so I strongly recommend this hair, guys. Like, I've had the whole day on. This is literally the end of the day that I'm recording this video, and I've had the hair like this the whole day, so I was a bit concerned whether it was showing or not, but yeah, it's still very okay. So I do hope you guys like this video. If you do go for my recommendation, definitely go. I will have the links down below for you guys so you can check them out, and they have different ones, different prices, so if you want to go for a more expensive one, you can go for it. But I think this is actually alright. So I have a black one and I have a brown one, which I ordered the brown one by accident, but I'm gonna definitely dye that one. I'm actually dyeing, oh, I could dye the ends blonde or something. Anyway, I'm just getting ideas here. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do to that hair, see if I can dye it and what is going to happen, because obviously this is fake hair, so I'm gonna dye it and see what happens. So I might actually record and show you guys, because it's a £6 ponytail. Interesting. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you watched this video, if you watched this video and you like this video, definitely make sure you give me a thumbs up. Definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. Instagram, I'm always active there, and TikTok and Snapchat. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.